Hello student, equation form given x minus 1 cube equal to 8 plus 8 into cube root of 8x and x belongs to real number set, then find the value of x. First of all, here consider x minus 1 is equal to some another variable. Let y equal to x minus 1. This implies x is equal to y plus 1. This is clear. Now put both the value in this equation. Therefore, this is a y cube equal to this 8 plus 8 into cube root of 8 into x equal to this is a y plus 1, right here y plus 1. Now simplify this bracket. Therefore, y cube equal to 8 plus this 8 into cube root of 8y plus 8. This I think clear. Now this 8y, cube root of 8y plus 8, assume some another variable. Let cube root of 8y plus 8 equal to z. This implies if you take both the side cube, then this 8y plus 8 equal to z cube or not. This is clear. Now put both the value in this equation. Therefore, sorry, not both the value, only this value put here. Means y cube equal to 8 plus this 8 into this z. Sorry, this z clear or not? Now 8y plus 8 equal to z cube. Use this part also. Now right here z cube equal to 8y plus 8. Create both equation or not? Now find the substitution of this both equation. Now y cube minus z cube this side, y cube minus z cube equal to, now this 8 and minus 8, this cancel out, direct cancel out here, right? Means 8z minus 8y. This is clear. Now therefore, now this is a y cube minus z cube, right, as it is, equal to, here consider minus 8 common, then is a y minus z. Now this whole part move to this side. Therefore, this is y cube minus z cube plus 8 into y minus z equal to 0. Now here apply a cube minus b cube formula. This is a cube minus b cube equal to this is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Apply this rule here. Therefore, this is the y minus z into this is y square plus yz plus z square plus 8 into y minus z equal to 0. This I think clear. Now therefore y minus z is common. Remaining part is a y square plus yz plus z square plus 8 equal to 0. Now y minus z either 0 or this factor 0, means y minus z equal to 0, or y square plus yz plus z square plus 8 equal to 0. Now y minus z equal to 0, therefore y is equal to z. This is one possibility. And y square plus yz plus z square plus 8 equal to 0. Now both the side multiply by 4. Then there is a 4y square, there is a 4yz plus 4z square plus 8 into 4 means the 32 equal to 0. Now 4y square write as it is, sorry 4y square write to this 2y whole square plus this 4yz you can written as this is a 2 into 2y into z plus this is a 4z square means this is z square plus 3z square equal to minus 32. This is clear? Minus 32. Now therefore here apply a square plus b square plus 2ab formula here. Therefore this is a 2y plus z whole square or not, plus 3z square, right, as it is, equal to minus 32. Now this whole part 2y plus z whole square, this is always greater than equal to 0 for any real number y and z. And there is a 3z square, this is always greater than equal to 0. Now but minus 32, this is a less than 0 or not? This any possibility for this side is greater than 0 and this side is less than 0? Not possible for any y and z value. Therefore, this part is direct cancel out. Why? Because this part is positive or greater than 0, the greater than equal to 0, but this part is less than 0. Not possible for any real number for y, and z. This part is cancelled out. Why? Because here required solution x is belongs to real number set. That's why this part is cancelled out. Now only y is equal to z. Now recall this part, y, this whole part, use this here. 8y plus 8 equal to z cube. Then z is equal to y put. Recall. Eight y plus 8 equal to z cube. Now put y, z is equal to this part, z is equal to y. Now therefore this is 8y plus 8 equal to y cube. Now whole part move to this side, means minus sign, means y cube minus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. Now here direct factor not possible. Then use try and error method, means y assume plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 3 up to so on, and check one by one which factor is satisfy this condition, means which root satisfy this condition. Means if you put y is equal to 1, then 1 cube minus 8 into 1 minus 8, this equal to 0 possibility. This 1 cube means 1 minus 8 minus 8, this is not equal to 0. Obvious. Now means y is equal to 1 is not solution. Now y is equal to minus 1, this is minus 1 cube minus 8 into minus 1 minus 8, this is 0 possible. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 minus minus plus 8 minus 8, this equal to not equal to 0. Why? Because this is 0 but minus 1 remaining. Now check y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2 means this is a 2 cube, this is a 2 cube, 2 cube minus 8 into 2 minus 8, this equal to 0 possible. 2 cube means 8 minus 16 minus 8, this not equal to 0. Clear? 8 minus 8 0, but this side is minus 16 remaining. Now check y is equal to minus 2. This is a minus 2 cube minus 8 minus 2 minus 8, this equal to 0 possible. Minus 2 cube means minus 8, this is a minus plus 16 and minus 8, this equal to 0. Means y is equal to minus 2 is a solution. Y is equal to minus 2 is the one solution. Now find another factor of this equation using synthetic division. Your equation form is a y cube minus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. Now use synthetic division. Then y cube coefficient 1, here y square not term, then this coefficient is 0, then minus 8 and then minus 8. Now y is equal to minus 2 is a solution, then write here minus 2. Now write here 0. 1 plus 0, this is 1, minus 2 into 1, this is a minus 2. 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, this is a plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 means minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4, this is a plus 8, and this part is 0. Then another factor is this coefficient is y square, means y square. This coefficient of y means this is minus 2y, and this constant term minus 4 equal to 0. This means if you multiply this, another factor is a y square minus 2y minus 4, means this part is 0. Now here direct factor not possible, then y square minus 2y equal to this 4 here. Now if you create here perfect square term, then add one value or not, both the side and one value. Now this is a y minus 2 whole square, sorry, y minus 1 whole square. Why? Because if you expand this, means y square minus 2y plus 1 or not equal to 5. Now therefore y minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 5 if you take both the sides square root. Now therefore y is equal to plus or 1 plus or minus root 5 if you 1 minus 1 move to this side. Now another true solution is y is equal to plus 1 plus root 5 and y minus root 5. Already y is equal to minus 2 is the one solution. And now recall again this part, this one. Already assume x is equal to y plus 1. Now recall x is equal to y plus 1, and already y is equal to minus 2 find, and y is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 find. Now put is this value here. Now this x is equal to minus 2 1 plus 1, and x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 plus 2 plus 1. Now therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a solution, and x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 5 is the solution. Means total 3 solution possible. All three are real. Minus 1, 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5 of this given equation.